Hi kids, I'm Grace, and today I'm going to show you how to make the easiest, yummiest, no-bake peanut butter pie. If you're taking it over to a friend's house, make sure to check if they have any peanut allergies in the family, because it does include peanut butter. What you'll need is 1 chocolate cookie pie crust, just follow the directions on the back of the package, roughly half a cup of peanut butter. It all depends on your taste and how peanut butter you would like your pie. Half a cup of icing sugar or confectioner sugar. A tub of whipped topping. A brick of cream cheese. And some chopped up peanut butter cups for garnish. Then what you need to do is take everything except for the garnish and just throw it into the bowl. After you've got everything in the bowl, mix it up. Then put it into your pie crust. Yummy, behold the yumminess, yay! So cheesy at the bottom. So for the last step, you go put your garnish on. Huzzah! And now for the centerpiece. Oh. Now there, doesn't that look like a yummy dessert that you can impress your friends with? Well, you betcha. So good. Thanks for watching, and as always, please subscribe and like our videos. Bye! Mwah, mwah, mwah.